The number one benefit of raw onion juice. Onions have been used in cooking and cuisine for centuries, but are also often used as a natural remedy for many different issues. Traditionally, people often drank diluted onion juice during a cold or a sinus infection. A study from 2017 showed that organic sulfur compounds in onions help to break down phlegm and mucus. An active ingredient in onion juice called quercetin helps to reduce histamines. These are the chemicals that cause allergies like hay fever, sinus congestion, or skin rashes. According to the Natural Arthritis Foundation, quercetin in onions can also help to ease joint pain by reducing swelling. Other sulfur compounds in onions that give them their strong, bitter smell and taste can also be used by your liver to neutralize toxins and remove them from the body through phase 2 detoxification. If you're on a diet, old stored toxins can sometimes be released from fat cells as you burn fat, but onion juice can help your liver dissolve these toxins into safe, water-soluble particles so that you feel a bit less tired, groggy, or cranky when you're losing weight. Concentrated onion extracts were also shown to alleviate stress and help the body to fall asleep faster. Cysteine sulfoxides that are present in onion juice have relaxing effects on blood vessels for improving circulation as well. But the number one benefit of onion juice that most people don't know is how it can boost hair growth. Raw onion juice can be applied to the scalp twice per week to improve hair growth for many different types of hair loss problems. Sulfur compounds from the onion are absorbed through the skin to help keratin grow. This is the protein that your hair is made of. These compounds also naturally destroy fungus, mold, and yeasts, which often plug up the pores and block hair growth. So the next time you have dandruff, think of onion juice as a remedy. Quercetin from onion juice can also help to reduce autoimmune forms of hair loss like alopecia or psoriasis, because it helps to block immune cells which were attacking the hair follicles or the skin. A study in dermatology found an 83% improvement in hair regrowth in just 6 weeks of using onion juice. You see, the sulfur from the juice helps to dilate capillaries in the scalp, which improves blood flow to the base of the hair follicles, and this can also trigger the release of IGF-1, a growth factor that encourages hair follicles to regenerate. Not only that, but it also makes the hair stronger and less likely to shed or break by extending the growth phase, which is called the anagen phase of your hair. If your hair loss is related to stress, onion juice can also help to reignite those hair follicles that have shut down due to cortisol or illness. Onion juice has a keratolytic effect, softening the skin to help it absorb other remedies later, like rosemary oil or castor oil, which are also beneficial. How to use onion juice. For hair growth, finely grate an organic red onion and squeeze out the juice through a cheesecloth. Store this liquid in a squeezy bottle for up to 3 days in the fridge. Apply the onion juice to a clean, dry scalp, massaging it gently into the roots for 2 to 3 minutes. Then cover your head with a shower cap to trap in heat. Let the remedy work for at least 30 to 60 minutes to get the full effect, before washing thoroughly with shampoo to remove any onion odor or residue. It's recommended to do this 2 to 3 times per week for at least 6 weeks for noticeable improvements. After the hair is washed and fully dried, feel free to massage in a few drops of castor oil or rosemary oil as a leave-in additional hair growth stimulator. Both of these oils have additional compounds that can help to reverse hair loss. To use raw onion juice internally in the body, simply mix 1 to 2 tablespoons into some cooled lemon water or a cooled broth or soup. Please avoid heating or cooking the onion juice if you're using it internally, as this will destroy some of the sulfur compounds before they can help you. I'm Ryan, a nutritionist from the UK, and this is my wife Hannah. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.